this guy here.
Yeah. Yeah. So start a bit higher so you get some speed. Hang a left turn and do a drop off. Try and do a grab or something if you can.
Hey, Jordi! Jordi!
Hey.
I dare you to take your thermal shirt off for it. I dare you to do it with a bare top. Do it.
No, he's fine.
It'll be so funny.
It would, but no.
Ugh.
You just watch him, okay? Because if you're looking at him, you'll film it.
Imagine he stacks it, he'll be so cold.
I'm filming now. Yep.
Okay.
Good luck. Yeah.
Oh, that's so much higher than it looks.
Is it ever? You'll get a good screenshot from that.
Alright, give me one more go, hold on. Oh, I'll quickly come back up, do one more.
Hike up this way.
Here, come up.
Is it nice and soft on the landing?
Somewhat.
Marley, move back because you just walk straight into the filming zone. Just stay, you gotta stay still. Okay. Alright, and Jordi and I go down.
Can you turn it off and then turn it back on again when we're doing it?
Yeah. Do you want your goggles down?
Nah, not yet.